Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And for this video, we're going to be doing an educational series talking about common hair mistakes. A very unpopular opinion of mine, but getting your hair cut before you're getting it braided. So there's two reasons why I don't think that's necessary. One, your barber could be cutting unnecessary hair that could have been braided in the first place. Also, keep your hairline more intact if you get your hair cut after the braids. I would also say that could be a real huge problem if your barber doesn't know your hair type and knowing how to cut your hair professionally. You do have some barbers that are just going to be cutting your hair from whatever you give it to them, and so make sure that your stylist is doing your hair first. And plus, it always looks fresher afterwards anyway. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys would like to see more YouTube videos on this.